tubig, hangin at lupa. Kapag pinagsama-sama, maraming magagawa. Ang kamay ng bakal. Mas lalakas kapag may kasamang krudo. Dugo at pawis ang puhunan. Let's build in SM para sa maaksyong negosyo. Para sa bayan at para sa ekonomiya. Ninong TV proudly presents another action of learning the businesses of the King of Philippine Business with your Denver Ninong Castro as your Henry C. Business 5, discovering the 5 businesses of Henry C. in land, water, oil, metal, and air. Simulcast on Ninong TV, Facebook, and YouTube, September 16, 2023. Let's build in SM. Henry C., the King of Philippine Business. Only here at Ninong TV, your educational vlog show and entertainment.
Good afternoon to all of you, and what's up? And this is your Denver Ninong Castro once again. Welcome to Ninong TV, your live watching from Facebook, YouTube, and to all of our new subscribers in TikTok and Instagram. So thank you for watching and for discovering the Ninong TV as part of your educational vlog show and entertainment. Okay, for today's video is another action of learning the businesses of Mr. Henry C. Ngayon, ang ninong nyo kapang construction attire. Pero hindi ako sasayaw dito or hindi ako magmumodel. So, I portray this kind of attire because our lesson for today is really connected sa ating trabaho. Dahil isa sa mga pag-aaralan natin dito ay more on construction. Literal, construct. And then, working in the land, working in air, working in water. O, parang ito, pang life deck, pang process-making, di ba? And then working in oil industry, na meron din pala niyan ang ating King of Philippine Business na si Mr. Henry C. At ang title ng vlog na gagawin natin ngayon ay Business 5. Yes, discovering the 5 businesses of Henry C. in land, water, oil, metal, and air. Wow! Kaya tinawag na Business 5. At meron nga talaga siyang business sa air. Ano kayang business niya sa air? O hot air balloon, no? O kaya airplane. So, malalaman natin yan mamaya. Okay? So, first of all, ano-ano nga ba ang businesses ni Henry C. when it comes to land, water, and oil? Bukod sa kanyang SM Supermalls, kasi lahat naman talaga yun. Pero ano pa nga ba yung literal o yung iba pa niyang other properties that compose of land? Sa kanyang land business, he has the Atlas Consolidated Mining and Development Corporation. Oy, natatandaan ko to sa yung mga tag 50 plus na businesses niya, no? So, ano nga bang meron sa kanyang land business? Ito yung kanyang mining business under by SM Prime, yung Atlas. Nagmimina sila, naghanap ng treasure. O, diba? Para meron tayong panggasta sa ekonomiya natin. And of course, naghanap sila ng pwedeng tayuan ng mga properties to help to serve our people and our economy. Diba? Ano nga bang meron dito sa Atlas Consolidated Mining and Development Corporation? Is a company primary engaged in metallic mineral exploration and mining. Yun. At meron naman siyang water business. Alam nyo, si Pangilinan lang. At meron din ang Tito Henry. Pero ito yung business na iniinom. Kasi yung kay Pangilinan, pinanglilinis, pinangliligo natin. Diba? Pero ito namang business ni Henry na tubig ay literal na iniinom. At yan ang kanyang SM Supermalls water. Pag pupunta tayo ng SM, bibili tayo tubig ng SM, yun yung kanyang water business. Diba? Akala nyo, meron din siyang water. Kaya nga business 5 eh. Actually, 100 plus to. O kulang pa tayo ng 5. 95 pa. Anyway, one of our review today para sa ating mga students na magba-back to school na this month, diba? Ito yung perfect na pwede yung pag-aralan na aside from SM, marami pa pala siyang pwedeng i-produce, diba? So, ano nga bang meron sa SM Supermalls Water? Under by SM Lab Cares, yung SM Lab, yan o. Diba? SM Supermalls Bottled Water helps provide access for clean water. Okay? So, true. For less privileged children in the Philippines. So, para sa malinis na tubig. Oo. At para na rin sa nutrients ng ating mga kabataan. At sa kanyang oil, meron siyang oil business. Meron po siyang franchise ng Shell. Hindi po ito yung Shell na yung Kabibi, yung sa dagat. Or yung kanyang condominium. Iba po yun. As in yung petroleum. Yung pagka tayo ay magpapagas up ng ating mga sasakyan. Kaya pala, somehow, pagka napunta kami noon, nabisit lang ako. Ang nakita kong Shell, may mga poster card na SMAC, 30% of your gas up from SMAC, from SM Advantage, ganito. So, under pala siya ni Mr. Henry C. Nagpa-franchise siya ng Shell dahil ito po ay was formed on 1907 through the merger of Royal Dutch Petroleum of Netherlands. So, galing pa to ng ibang bansa. At kung sino-sino na pong business owner ang nagpa-franchise nito, kasama na po ang Tito Henry. Okay. So, ito po ang kanyang mga businesses sa land, water, oil, ang kanyang Atlas Mining, Shell, at kanyang SM Supermall Waters. So, we will check it out on this special episode, the businesses of Henry C. in land, water, and oil. So, mamaya naman yung kanyang metal and air. So, you will check it out. Okay, you've just discovered the businesses of Mr. Henry C. in oil, water, and land. So talagang multitasking talaga ang ating Tito Henry, no? Talagang hindi lang SM. But anyway, SM says, we've got it all for you. So kung mapunta ka ng SM, hahanapin mo yung oil, ay meron siya maisasuggest sa'yo. Punta ka sa Shell ko, doon ka magpagas. O, diba? May gasolinahan ba sa SM? Yes. On my Shell. O, diba? Katabi lang ng SM ko. Sabi sa'yo. Meron ba kayong tubig? Yes, of course. SM Water, meron pa nga yung SM Bonus. And then land. Meron po tayong land na part ng SM, yung ating Atlas. So, some of this naman is under by franchise businesses of Henry C. Because I researched some of this company owned by the different organization around the world. Pero syempre, ang Tito Henry nyo gusto rin magpa-franchise. Hindi lang naman para lumaki pa ang bulsa niya, kundi para lang suportaan ang ating taong bayan. That is action of business to serve the people and its economy to give what they need and what they want. Diba? So, yan naman yung action na ginagawa ni Mr. Henry C. para tugunan ang pangangailangan ng taong bayan, maliit man o malaki. Diba? Meron na rin pala siyang oil businesses na madalas pag pumupunta tayo ng Shell, may nakikita pala tayo dong under by SMAC. So, kung ikaw ay may SMAC card o SM Prestige cards, mga ganyan, may 30%, 50% off, lalo ngayon ang gas, pataas ng pataas, diba? So, Henry C's action plan is magkaroon tayo ng discounted. Kung ikaw nai-stress na sa mahal ng gas, gamitin mo yung SMAC card o SM Prestige card, makakamura ka. Diba? Instead na magmura ka sa taas ng presyo ng diesel, mapapamura ka sa card. Malinis yung babayaran mo. Instead, you will pay 2.5. You can only pay na lang 2.3 na lang or 2K na lang. Pag yan full tank. Pero pagka kalahati, diba? Instead of 500, 250 na lang. Something like that. Okay. For the next station of business that we will have is the metal and air. Ano nga bang business ni Henry C? Bakal. Aside from I show, ito 1 year ago na. Mag-1 year na rin siya. Ang kamay na bakal, diba? SM Appliance. And of course, bakal din ito, yung kanyang nagliliyab na makinarya nung last month ago lang. Ano ba yun? May or June ko na-introduce ata yun. So, kaya na bahala mag-suggest. Sa dami na iniisip ng Tito Henry yun, hindi ko na maalala. So, just search for that. That was created for Cyberzone study. Yung mga gadget, diba, igawa din naman sa bakal yun. Pero meron pa siyang isang bakal at alam ko naman na-review na natin to. The MOA Eye. Yun, literal na bakal talaga. O imagine kung gawa sa plastic yung MOA Eye, pwede tumba tayo dyan. Diba? Siyempre, kailangan matibay na bakal. Kasing tibay ng ating muscle just to serve the people's happiness. Diba? Ano nga bang meron sa kanyang MOA Eye? It is the tallest Ferris wheel in the Philippines, inaugurated in December 18, 2011. Birthday ni Mami ito. Okay, and it has 36 air conditioned gondolas. Ayun. Okay, at ang kanyang business sa hangin. Diba? Ano nga bang business sa hangin? Diba? Windmill, yung kay BBM, yung ano niya, windmill, iba yun. Marites, ay, nako, forever ng illegal business yan. Pagmamarites, nako, hindi yan. Hindi yan ang mga businesses niya. Ang businesses niya sa air ay to go travel. Yung airplane to go. Ayan. So, meron na rin pala siyang aeroplano and I can't believe, wow, my goodness. malalaman natin dito na ang Tito Henry nyo rin ay may mga airplanes na rin. Wow! Hindi lang si Lucio Tan at si Guo Kong Wei. Siya din, syempre. Wow! Grabe talaga ang Tito Henry nyo. So, he also have the To-Go. The To-Go Logistic and Supply Chain Cargo airline based in Parañaque, Philippines. It operates bulk cargo and express parcel in the Philippines. Wow. Ito yung mga online shopping, yung ating mga delivery or mga appliances na ating mga in-order from other country. Diba? So, we will discover here the metal and air businesses of your Tito Henry. Enjoy.
As I move on in life and work on more dreams, I have realized something. There is no limit to what we can do. From your Henry C. giving you the action of learning in handling the 5 businesses to serve the people and the economy.
Okay, you will discover now for the next episode, syempre, is the CSR. So, ano-ano kayang CSR ang pwedeng gawin ng inyong Tito Henry sa kanyang 5 businesses? Anong pwedeng gawin ng Atlas, Shell, SM Waters, BOA at To-Go sa kanilang pagtulong sa kapwa? Diba? The power of 5 is helping to sustain the people's needs and wants, and the power of 5 of helping people. O, diba? So, kanina lang na-discover natin yung kanyang mga businesses sa land, sa water, oil, metal, and air. So, ngayon naman, ma-discover natin ano nga ba ang pwedeng maitulong nito sa taong bayan instead of, or in other words, aside from building, no? Building. So, may mga tao tayong nakatulong. So, ano-ano kaya ang programa ng CID o helping the people. Check it out. Okay, thank you for watching and God bless to all of us. And you've just discovered once again the 5 businesses of Henry that discuss the land, water, oil, metal, and air. At ito po ang Business 5. Okay, B5 ni Henry C. Okay? So, thank you and I hope you learned something. And for our educators, no, back to school na. Sa mga nagre-research ng businesses ni Henry C, hindi lang SM, hindi lang yung SMBC, hindi lang yung BDO, hindi lang yung China Bank, hindi lang yung etc. Naku, kung babagitin ko pa to isa-isa, pasto na. Basta meron pa po kayong dapat malaman na kailangan nyo pang pag-aralan at kailangan nating ma-discover because for through the years, we are entering SM na inakala natin SM lang ang business ni Henry C. Well, napakarami talaga. Kaya nga sinabing, we've got it all for you. So kung ano man ang iyong inquiries o hanap sa SM, sagot na yan ng Tito Henry nyo. At yan ang kanyang action to serve the people and to fight the crisis. To give employment, di ba? Pagpuno na sa SM, pagpuno na tao sa SM, dito sa kanyang mga other businesses will apply, di ba? And somehow, a new project to serve the people, foods, tirahan, CSR, retail, di ba? Mining. So, talagang napaka-multitasking ng inyong Tito Henry. Kaya, we're very proud of this man, very hard work, and the king of Philippine business talaga. Biruin nyo, sa 95 plus o 100 plus, meron pa pala siyang mga hidden businesses na hindi natin alam. Diba? Kaya ninong nyo lang yan napanood. Kaya, subscribe na, like, comment, and share. And of course, for those who wanted to buy this vlog, buy it for only 150 pesos. Go to MP4 downloader, get this link. You may own this video and pay me 150 as part of our business service, of course. Yan ang aking programa.